Sometimes the fix is tiny and everywhere at once. A supplier changed its name. A phone number in your descriptions is out of date. A typo you've now spotted in 200 listings. The edit is trivial. It's the hundreds of places that make it a problem. Your browser's find works on one page. Shopify has no catalog-wide find and replace. So you're opening every product, hunting for the text, fixing it, saving, and hoping you didn't miss any. BulkEditly adds find and replace across your whole catalog. Type the text to find and the text to replace it with. Choose which fields to search, titles, descriptions, tags, and more, and it updates every match in one action. Before anything changes, you get a preview, every product that will change, and exactly what the text becomes. So, you're never replacing something you meant to keep. And like every edit, it's recorded in your history with one click undo. Fix that text everywhere at once, safely. Find BulkEditly on the Shopify App Store. Link in the description.